Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got the Quick Mill Silvano Evo in the shop with us. Pretty much what we did to this machine is we did a tune-up. What we did is replace the shower screen, the gasket, also deep cleaned your steam wand, we deep cleaned your portafilter, we did backflush your machine, and also descaled it with descaling solution through the water tank. So now we're going to test all the functions of the machine, starting with coffee or espresso. We're using a test coffee for this. Don't worry if the shot runs too fast or too slow. I did not measure it to your machine. So, we're going to run it. We're just seeing if water comes out to the front. Also, there was a lot of clogging when it came to your shower screen, so we did back flushing, clean that thoroughly. Ran a little fast, but that's okay. Water's running through perfectly. And now we are going to test the steam function by turning this on. We're just going to activate the generator, and now it's going to start pumping steam. As you can see, really good steam. And that's about it. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.